Senator Joel Villanueva is recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. President, to our Majority Leader. Thank you. Mr. President, just a short manifestation. Earlier today, during the hearing of the Blue Ribbon Committee, my name was once again mentioned by District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Mr. President, let me state this clearly at the very start. I am fully prepared to be investigated on these allegations. I have nothing to hide, and I welcome any inquiry that will bring out the truth. Mr. President, in fact, if we carefully review what transpired this morning, it was clear, very clear, from Mr. Alcantara's own statement that, number one, Mr. President, Mr. Alcantara said, hindi po ako nag-request ng kahit anong flood control project. Sinabi din po niya, wala po akong alam at hindi rin po ako kailanman sinabihan tungkol sa mga proyektong yan. Ang request po ng representasyong ito ay multipurpose buildings para sa aking mga kababayan sa Bulacan at hindi po flood control. Sinabi niya po yan. Sinabi rin po at inamin ni District Engineer Alcantara na may tulong daw po, na may tulong daw siyang pinaabot, pero hindi po sa akin, sabi po niya. At siya na rin po mismo ang nagsabi na wala po akong alam doon. Pero ayan, Mr. President, basta binanggit lang po yung pangalan natin, mentioned my name, operative word, mentioned. Mr. President, ano po ba ito? Masabi lang po yung pangalan natin at idadawit po tayo sa flood control issue kahit ang mismong testigo na ang nagsabi po na wala po akong alam. Mema lang, may masabi. I am ready, Mr. President, and my office is ready to be investigated that the truth may come out. At katulad po ng pagdalo ko kanina, Ginoong Pangulo, sa ICI, nakahanda rin po akong bigyang linaw ang mga bagay na ito sa anumang forum o lugar at patunayan na mali, malisyoso at pawang kasinungalingan lamang ang ipinupukol po sa ating pangalan. Maraming salamat, Ginoong Pangulo.